I'm here to tell you about the coal-burning companies being the worst thing for the environment. There are better ways to make energy, but the coal-burning companies just don't want to switch. Coal-burning companies are responsible for a third of all greenhouse gas emissions, and they don't want to switch just because they're greedy and it's cheap. The top three worst companies are China Coal at 14.32% of all industrial emissions, Coal India at 1.87% of all industrial emissions, and Russia Coal at 1.86% of all industrial emissions. If we don't stop global warming, the sea levels will rise, there will be no ice in the Arctic, the ocean will be destroyed, heat waves will be way more common, and animals will lose their habitat. There are many better replacements for coal, so I'll talk about the four most viable ones. Wind turbines use wind to spin the turbines and generate power. Solar panels use the sun to generate power. Dams use the inner waterfall to generate power. Tidal power uses the motion of the tides to generate power, and it has a lot of potential. It is possible to replace thermal coal because 98% of British Columbia's energy is from renewable resources, and it's awesome. In conclusion, there are ways to make energy that is better for the environment, but the companies don't want to switch just because coal is cheap. It's so hot here, oh my goodness.